Welcome to Alternative Payments, a B2B checkout solution simplifying payments for businesses and their customers. This tutorial will walk you through how to pay an invoice in a few simple steps. Your vendor will email you your invoice directly or ask you to log in through their unique billing portal. Either way, you'll be able to log in by entering your email address and immediately receive an email confirmation to access your dashboard. On your dashboard, you can manage your outstanding invoices, view your payment history, and invite other team members to help. Bookmark this page to easily access it in the future. To pay outstanding invoices, select the invoice you wish to pay or use the Pay Other Invoice button to enter a custom invoice amount. You'll have 3 payment options to choose from: ACH, credit card, and pay in installments. To pay with ACH, connect your bank account through Plaid or by manually entering your bank details and select Pay Now. To pay with credit card, enter your credit card details and select Pay Now. With the Pay in Installments option, you'll have the flexibility to select payment terms of 30 to 150 days, with equal installments due each month until the invoice has been paid in full. Pay in Installments is a great option for larger invoices to help manage cash flow. Review and confirm the alternative payments agreement and select Continue. Connect your bank account through Plaid or by manually entering your bank details and submit your request. Pay in Installments is subject to approval. The alternative team will reach out to request additional information required for the review process. Once you've made a payment, easily download a receipt for your records. Through your dashboard, you can easily manage payment methods. Add a credit card or bank account to your profile for easy future payments. Invite team members to your dashboard to help manage accounts payable. If you have any questions while making a payment, use the chatbot on any of the payment screens or reach out to our team at customersuccess@alternative.co. Thank you. We look forward to driving value for your business.